Hello friends, my name is Chetan Vadadia and today we are going to study about similarity of triangle guys. Means today we are going to study about the introduction part. What are similar triangles? Steps to prove similar triangles. So in a simplest way guys, so let us start without wasting much time. In my previous video I told you about congruent triangles. What are congruent triangles? When two triangles are exactly same, we call them congruent triangle. Like if ABC and PQR are exactly same, means all sides are equal, all angles are equal, then we can say these two triangles are congruent. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. But similarity is somewhat same with this. In similarity, you will get this type of figure, but the size varies in similar triangle. Let me tell you, this is ABC and this is PQR. You can see, so the size of PQR is greater than ABC. So these two cannot be congruent, but this can be similar. Similar means just to increase the size in the same proportion. Just to increase the size in the same proportion, so that two figures will be. So suppose if you are having a photograph of yourself in a small size, and if you increase and make this much big size, same photograph, only the size changes in the same proportion, that figures are called similar. Let me give you some practical example. Suppose this is a triangle with side 3, 4, 5 and this is with 6, 8, 10 and the angles are 50, 60 and 70. Here also the angles 50, 60 and 70. So you can see here all angles are equal. When you can say similar, two conditions you need to keep in mind. One is all angles should be equal. Angles should be equal and sides should be proportional. Now what is proportional? That I will tell you. Sides should be proportional. Proportional means to find out the ratio. You can see when I say AB side of this and here PQ, AB by PQ, that is, you can see 3 and 6. So 3 by 6. So the ratio will be 1:2. So the ratio of this 2 is this side upon this will be 1:2. Here also BC by QR, that is 4 by 8. So 1/2. 4 by 8 will be 1/2. And AC, third side, AC by PR, that is 5 by 10. So the sides everywhere we are getting the same ratio 1:2. This is double of this. This is also double of this. So when can you say two figures are similar? If all the angles are equal and all the sides are proportional. At that time you can say the two figures are similar. Let me tell you few examples. Suppose this is a square with side 2 centimeter square. This is also a square with side 5 centimeter. Can you say these two are similar? Yes, we can say these two are similar. Why? All the angles are 90 in square, we know, and all the sides will be 2 here square and 5 here. So you can see here all the angles are equal and the sides are 2 by 5 proportional. So this you can say that all squares are similar. All equilateral triangles will be also similar. Let me tell you, all circles will be also similar. Suppose this is a circle with a radius 2 centimeter. Here a circle with radius 5 centimeter. Just they had increased the size. So when there is increase in size, but that size should be proportional, at that time you can say the figures are similar. Okay guys, so this is about similar. Congruent means exactly same. Similar means figure having same, you can say increase in proportion, that are similar. Okay, so now these two conditions you need to write down for definition, that two figures are similar if all angles are equal and all sides are proportional. Okay, now when can you say, now I am going to teach you some shortcuts. Now for finding two triangles similar, we have to find out that all the angles are equal and all the sides are proportional. So 6 things you need to find out, but our mathematician has find out few shortcut rules where you need to find out just 3 things out of this 6, and you can say the figures are similar. As similar to congruence of triangle, we know the 5 rules are there. By that, with that 3 things you can make 2 triangles congruent. Here also by 3 things you can make these 2 triangles similar. So that rules are, first is side, side, side. If all the 3 sides are proportional, no need of going for finding angles. Directly you can say the 2 triangles are similar. Shortcut, these are shortcut. Let me tell you. Here if it is 6, 8 and 10, and this is 3, 4, 5. So directly I can say AB by BC equals to 6 by 3, 2 by 1. AB by PQ. BC by QR, that is 8 by 4, 2 by 1. Then AC by PR, that is 10 by 5, 2 by 1. So without finding angles, directly you can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. And guys, this is the symbol for similarity, S, but not proper S. You can say this in this way. You can say this is the symbol for similarity of triangle that you need to use. Here we got that all sides are proportional, so these 2 triangles are similar by which rule? By side, sides. Now one more rule is there. If you don't have all the sides like this, if you don't have these 2 sides, but if you are having these 2 angles equal, 50 degree and 50 degree, then also you can say these 2 are congruent by side angle side. Means 2 sides should be proportional. Here we know that AB upon PQ will be 6 by 3, 2 by 1. So these sides are proportional. This side also 4 by 8 means 2 by 1 proportional. And the angle between them, angle B equals to angle Q, is also equal. So you can say these 2 triangles are similar. By which rule? Now 2 sides proportional and the angle between that. So by side angle side. So the second rule, first rule is this, side side side. Second rule is side side angle. Side angle side. Side angle side. And the third rule, one of the most important one and very simple, that is angle similarity. Let me tell you. If you are having a triangle ABC and PQR, and if you are having this 50, this 70 and this 60, and here also this 50, this 70 and this 60. So here we know that angle A equals to angle P, angle B equals to angle Q, and angle C equals to angle R. All the 3 angles are equal. So we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by angle similarity. But so here also they had made one shortcut. Why? By just removing this A. By angle also you can say the triangles are congruent. How? Let me tell you. Suppose you are having 2 triangles. One is 50, one is 70. Here also 1 is 50, 1 is 70. We can find out the third one. If two angles are equal, automatically the third angles will be also equal, because by some angle property, sum of both this will be 180. So no need of finding the third angle. By two angles also we can say that the two triangles are similar. Don't go for the third angle. Directly by angle similarity also we can say the two triangles are similar. So three rules are side, 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 angle, and angle similarity. By these three rules also you can say two triangles are similar. Now how to write? Let me tell you guys. Suppose, let me go to the next figure. Suppose you are having these two triangles, A, B, C, P, Q, R. If you are having this 12 and this 6, if you are having this 10, this 5, and this 80 degree and this 80 degree. So how to write? I am telling you. You can write down this in 5 steps, but in angle 4 steps. In all other you can write down this in 5 steps. How? First step is always selection of triangle. In triangle ABC and triangle PQ. Now you need to first find out that AB upon PQ, that is 12 by 6, and BC upon QR, that is also 10 by 5. So you need to write down here 2 by 1, and this is also 2 by 1. So you can say therefore AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR. Proved here, proved above. Then angle B equals to angle Q. This is given. Therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. By which rule, guys? By two sides proportional and the angle between them. So by side, angle, side, these two triangles are similar. So this way, guys, you can prove any two triangles similar, or directly if you want to tell that two triangles are similar when their all sides are proportional and all angles are equal. So this way we can solve, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, guys. And if you are having any doubt, guys, you can join me on Unacademy at every morning sharp 9 AM. I am taking free live lecture on Unacademy app. Just you need to download and register with your mobile number. Then go for the course you need to select is JEE NEET Foundation and NTSE, and use the referral code Galaxy Coaching. For free classes also you need to use this code, guys. And then for plus subscription, if you will use my code Galaxy Coaching, then you will get 10% discount. After registering, just search my profile name Chetan Vadadia and click on the follow button nearby that, so that you will get notification of all my free live classes, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye, guys.